Hey, new leaders, the artifact you're viewing now is a model math lesson I did to show one of my teachers how she can implement Common Core with her students. So I started out with a I do, we do, you do piece as far as modeling, working with the students and letting them practice individually. Started out with a book on spending money, saving money, and budgeting, and moved into a modeling piece on the board with how the students were going to work it out on their sheets of paper later. And then they got to use change to buy different pieces of candy that they preferred, and they would have to actually illustrate the coins they used, illustrate the change they had left, actually work their problems out, show me how they did that, and they would have to finally verbalize that at the end. So that was how we tied Common Core into this particular lesson. Hope you enjoy it.
We got 99 cents. How much money did we just spend at the store with these two items? What are we going to have to do to find out? What math process? What math process? Put your hands down for a second and listen up and think. What math process do you have to use to find out how much money we're going to have to spend to buy this pencil eraser? Come on. You got to add. There you go. So adding, use addition real quick. Add this and this, the pencil plus the eraser. So 15 plus 25. What's your name? I want your name first. Ronald, that's right, Ronald. What you got?
40.
40 what?
40 cents.
40 cents. It's important in money, you got to say 40 cents. Because if you say 40, that could be $40, $40,000, 40 cents, I don't know. But you want to make sure, especially when you get your paycheck, and somebody's not paying you 40 cents instead of $40. All right, so total cost, 40 cents. So basically, you just want to add this up and put the answer right here. Okay? Now, here's the next tricky part. John Terry, help me out with this one. You know we started out with how much change? 99 cents. We talked about that. Subtract your total cost from that 99 cents. All right, so here's what I want you to do. If you got a pencil right now, tell you what. Yeah, tell you what. Y'all head back to your seats. Let's grab pencils real quick. Grab a scratch piece of paper in front of you. See if you got something you can write on real quick. If you got a piece of paper, get it out.
No, it's not. It was over here.
How many pencils?
That's here.
Okay, see what you have to see. I'll get your this one there. Yours should still be over there. I see it sitting at your seat, right?
I got scratch piece.
Scratch piece? That's all you need. One piece. Just need a little bit of scratch paper. Got it? Alright. So I got some people that have already got it. So once again, we're subtracting our total cost away from 99 cents. Cortez, what you working on? I know, but you're supposed to be working on this. 99 minus 40.
Put them on.
You gotta have those glasses on, man, if you're gonna do this for sure. Okay, so 99 cents minus 40. Now this is important, because when you, in a minute here, when I get that candy out, if I get up to you and you're just sitting there, Cortez, and you have those glasses on, you do the problem, it's not gonna work. So I see a couple people. I'm gonna come by and look over your shoulders and see if you get the right answer. Good so far. See some people still writing them down. 99 cents. Once again, look at the math problem I put on the board. What process relations are we going to use this time? Add, subtract, multiply, divide, what?
Division.
You know what that sign stands for. You better tell me. Subtract. Okay? So down here, let's see what you got. You got it. Now you just got to subtract. Shh. Sit down. To subtract. Every single person should have the same problem that I've got written on the board, okay? You'll have 99 minus 40.
Your problem is going to be 9 right there.
I'm going to put it up here for you to help out just a little bit.
Oh, I get it.
You got it? Looks like most of us are there. Alright, so I'm going to give you 10 more seconds. I'm going to call for everybody to answer it at the same time. So let's see if we can do it. Hold on, we'll call everybody. Alright, 1, 2, 3, all eyes on me.
1, 2, 3,
Ladies and gentlemen, all together, the answer was how much?
59!
59, it sounds like right. 59 cents. Very good job, okay? 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Very good. Okay? Now, last thing we got left. How much change do we have left over, folks? 59 cents. Okay? So let's see. Okay? Now, so the remaining change we have, our value is 59 cents, right? The last thing you'll have to do is illustrate that change for me. Show me how much you have left, and that's the end of it. Okay? Do y'all feel like we can do one of these? We're going to keep it simple first. Ms. Simmons and I are going to give you one item out of the box. So we get to go through that and we'll work it with you. Okay, after that, we're going to step it up into 2 items and see if y'all can hang with that one. Okay, y'all think you can do it?
Yeah!
Right, and then finally, when we're finished with that, if you got some candy and some sugar running through that brain of yours, we're going to give that assessment back to you and see if you do better than you did the first time on it. Y'all think we can do it?
Yes!
All right, very good. So, very first thing I'm going to do, and Ms. Simmons, I'll probably need a little bit of help on this one. I want to make sure that each one of them gets 1 quarter, 4 dimes, 5 nickels, and 9 pennies.
Okay.
So each one of these packs, so I can kind of pull some of that out of it.
Okay.
All right, so here's the thing. I want everybody to take these coins, leave them in the middle of the table. Do not touch them until I've given you permission. If you do, you're going to be on my bad side. This is one of them take now. We'll let them do it themselves. Yeah, that'll be perfect practice for them to kind of go ahead and get familiar with these coins. But don't touch them, folks, until we give you permission to. It's very, very important that you wait for instructions. Because if you don't, we might get kind of lost here. Yeah, tell me you do it.
Miss Simmons did that for.
Okay? We'll give you 2 just in case you need some
Is
extra.
everybody, we have it on every table?
Yeah.
All right, and here's the deal. I still see somebody with them in their hands. Derek, as smart as you are, I know you understand English and not to be touching those things. Now, listen up. Here's the deal. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, all eyes on me. Take a look up here. How many quarters am I going to have?
One.
Let's try that again. How many quarters will I have?
One.
That's it. How many dimes?
4.
4. How many nickels?
5.
How many pennies?
9.
Okay, so when I tell you to grab your bags, what you're going to do is you're going to go through them and you're going to pull out those exact numbers. When you are finished, every other coin goes back in that bag. Okay, the only thing that stays out of that bag is this, this, and this. Any questions?
Who said that? No, sir.
Divya?
No.
Listen up, because this might be a question you might have in a second. Divya? Nope, you're not doing anything right now. But, once again, Ms. Simmons is about to correct you. Go ahead and listen to Ms. Simmons on that one.
Are we?
Are we? Yes. But right now, all you need to do is this. We're going to do this step by step, folks. If y'all listen and follow along, it'll be the easiest thing you've ever done. Okay? So, go ahead and grab your bags. 1 quarter, 4 dimes, 5 nickels, 9 pennies. Ms. Simmons and myself will be coming around to make sure you got it. Go ahead. Dwayne, open them up. If you need help identifying the coins or anything, please let us know. We'll help you out. But you need 1 quarter, 4 dimes, 5 nickels, and 9 pennies. Okay? Shh, don't show them. Do it. The quicker you do it, the quicker you can get that candy now. We got to keep moving because at the end of the day, it's not too far off. So the quicker you pull that change out, the quicker you get that candy in your mouth.
This right here is just like that.
Now I know it's not time to be talking. I know it's not
1, 2, 3, 4.
Please raise your hand if you need any help at all, folks. If you need extra coins, if we don't have enough pennies in there, or enough dimes or nickels, let me know. You should be all right, but I have a big old bag over here we can pull some more coins out of. Good. Everything else goes back in the bag. Okay. Once you pull out your coins, everything else goes back in the what? Bag. Very good. The quicker you do that, the quicker we can get started. So once you got your bag full, put it back in the middle of the table. You need 1 quarter, 5 nickels. Everything else, all this goes back into you back. Good job. Put you on the lace. No, not this one. You can use that one. She'll put it there, but I want you to start putting it back in this bag. Just speed up the process. Shh. How you doing?
Good.
All Not really, because you aren't finishing. Mine's the only one that's taking me back in. And Latoya, she's the only other one. I got 2 people ready back in and go to the store. Alright, so this is just like in our story. Once again, they saved up all their money. They put it down, counted it out. They knew how much they had, so they could go out and buy that couch or that chair. Y'all are getting ready to go out and buy some candy in a minute.